Okay, one more here. Right, here it is on the wrist. I think I'm just going to lead with this video. What do you guys think? The unboxing video is going to follow this video. Doesn't it look great? Let's see if I can zoom in right here. Standard strap, but you got lots of options to switch out the strap. And again, 7¼ inch wrist, minus and not flat. Hey guys, Mel Goes 1349, new quick unboxing of the HZ watches HZ.01. So let's get into it. HZ.01 is a day-date three-hander, quartz movement, coming out of the HZ Watches micro brand. This is their first model out of Australia. It's meant to be your grab and go daily. Oh look, here's a bunch of peanuts. So let's get the peanuts out of here. There we go. Now, rather than a box, it comes with a handy travel case. Ask on these is, I think, $199 US, around that price. So let's take a closer look here. So nice travel case. I got the green model, which turn up the lights here a bit. There we go. Let's open it up. There's the HZ logo. Leather travel case. And check that out. Let's see. Focus. There we go. No, not doing the focus thing. Okay, here we go. Let's zoom in a bit. Okay, so there we go. Looks great. Ticking away, the owner and creator of this mat said that he went to the factory to ensure quality control of the second hand, right? So that each time it ticks, it matches the corresponding dial ring so that you don't get the second hand ending up in between the hash marks. Now let's take this. See how it pops out. There we go. Oh, cool. So, here we go. So let's get right in here. Applied indices. You've got your 5-minute outer ring. You have polished flank, or sorry. You got a, looks almost like a satin finish, except for the polish along the side here. Oh, I'm covering it with my hand. Let's get it off. Here, zoom back out. All right. Nice clasp here. As your quartz beat rate. Laser engraved. Nice strap for the price point. Here we have the medallion, kind of like your old King Seiko, Grand Seiko. Water resistant, 100 atmospheres. This is in titanium as well, so it really is a lightweight grab and go. It still has some weight to it, so it doesn't feel completely lightweight, which is not a bad thing. You can see the green outer ring here is, hold on, there we go, is in a higher or closer focal plane than the brushed center disc. Got the red quartz beat rate right there, and of course your day date. Looks really nice. This this polished, there we go. This polished strip here is really nicely polished. It really stands out. Nice and thin. See it on the wrist real quick here. Oh, I have to zoom out here. On my 7 1/4 inch wrist. Let's get it going here. Yeah, fits nice. Yeah, all in all, there you have it. Brand new. And let's turn off the lights for a sec here. If I can get the lights to work. You still can't see it, but yeah, it looks fantastic. Great job, Matt. I have to work on my lighting here, but let's pop this out. Give this a whirl. There we go, Thursday. There you go, and let's check out the, there goes the date. And yeah, and if you do it the opposite way, you get the day. Fantastic. Looks really great. See if I can get a better zoom in here. Really quite nice. I'm actually kind of surprised. I'd forgotten it was titanium, and it has some weight to it, while still being lightweight. Most of that weight feels like it's in the bottom here. Let's see if we can get the medallion now. This is electroplated, as I recall, medallion. Screw down case. 100 meters water resistant, no screw down crown, which is still fine. Yeah, looks fantastic. Congratulations, Matt, on the HZ.01 release. Looks great. Okay, and thanks guys for watching. There we go. Definitely take a look at these. The HZ.02 and 03 are in the works. But if you want a really nice everyday wear watch, this is a great one to choose. All right, I'll let you know in the future how this is worn. Thanks for watching. I just want to get a little bit more footage here because I fixed my lighting situation. I'm going to zoom out now. There we go. Yeah, that looks fantastic. I think there's even is there a little plastic cover on this?